Hey guys, so here's baby Carter. Let me turn him this way though. He's playing in the bassinet. I know I haven't recorded him in a while, so here he is, playing, looking at the mirror. He was watching cartoons, I think Peppa Pig or something, but here he is in his little bassinet, just playing around. He's looking at himself in the mirror, so. But just a quick short video of Carter. I haven't been on in a while, a long time, and I apologize for that. So I would turn the camera on me and talk a little bit with myself on camera, but right now I look a hot mess. I still need to get in the shower. And I am not really feeling all that well right now, so maybe later. But anyway, there's Carter. And he's just the cutest little one ever. Look at that little face. And he's still in his sleeper because I decided not to get him in a onesie or anything because he looks cute as ever in his little brother sleeper. Orange and gray with blue. It's really cute. And even though it is summer, I've decided to just go ahead and keep it in him because it is hot outside but cold in my house. So there he is. So cute. Look at him. He's so cute. Just chilling, looking at himself in the mirror, wondering who that is staring back at him. So cute. But anyways, guys, I'll do more videos later. Bye, guys.